It is a volatile day today. That's what's going to happen here. We are coming up to the end of the year, which means tax loss selling and bonus time for hedge fund managers and money managers. And there are millions of those around the world who are on pins and needles with their positions, and they're trying to lock in gains and not get caught. And there's winners and losers all over the place right now that are shifting trillions of dollars around. Okay. You guys have to figure out where you fit into this whole scheme for your part of the world. And thank you all for your backing this man and his Jennifer Aniston lookalike wife. Thank you all so very much for that. I try to give you as much as I can to help you as far as down the road as I can. And if I can get you into the top 10 percentile of awareness and knowledge, it'll all work out. Just be smarter than most of the others, and you will pick your spots, and you will do extremely well. You will be shocked at how much money you make doing this option writing work. You'll be just blown away. You'll go, I can't believe how stupid these people are. I can't believe how dumb people are out there buying contracts that I'm creating, and then I buy them back for a third of the price in a short period of time. If you're here, there's 182 here now. I can't believe it. This happens all the time. I can't understand. Why is this always happening? For years and years. Because there are a gazillion people coming into the game who don't know what they're doing, and they don't have an Uncle Bruce. They don't know there's an Uncle Bruce out there. They don't want to spend a certain amount of time every day with an old man. They don't believe people over 30. No way, they don't know what they're talking about. That's old school. What does that guy know? I get it. I remember when I was 24. I remember the other rookies that started with me in the brokerage business over the first 5 years that I was a broker. The first 5 years that I was in the business, I had so many guys come into the business as well. And I watched brokers disappear from existence in a year, 2 years, 3 years. There were very few brokers that lasted more than 5 years, from 79 to 84. After, there were maybe 1 in 10 that made it, that lasted longer than 5 or 6 or 7 years. They couldn't handle it. And yet they had the security course. They were inside a brokerage office. They were smarter than half of all the people out there. They were in the top 10 percentile. They really had it. And yet they couldn't take it. They couldn't take it because the market every day is a different day. You never get the same day twice.